Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Sunday, the 9th of April. Happy Easter. Well, it looks like the Easter Bunny did arrive, Chloe Bow. What do you say? Yeah?
I got this for me.
What's that? Adam's family. Oh, that's cool, isn't it? Oh, yes. Looks like they've got some too. And Lacey Lou. And Liam. I think they've done pretty well from everyone. Don't look, but the Easter Bunny's been excited. Go and have a look. Ooh, down there, Liam, in the corner. Oh, Liam, the Easter Bunny's been. Oh. Lacey's excited.
Daddy, for you, Mummy.
Yes, me and Mummy got one left, look. It's 10 a.m. now, we've got sorted, up, dressed, washed, and just doing dinner, preparing it. So, me, Rach and Liam, we've prepared it, there we go. That's the beef we've got. Ooh, looking good. Cannot wait. Yes, Sandra, how are you feeling today? Better than yesterday? Good.
It's because yesterday I had a headache.
You had a headache, probably a migraine. Right, Lee? Got out your mood? Been in a bit of a mood last few days, haven't you? You alright today? Oh. Alright, Guineas? You like your food? Good boys. The doggies have got these for after lunch. Oh, yes. Thought she might have stayed in today with us, being Easter and all that, but no. Can't keep her in, can we? Let me get it, darling. There you go. You be good and be careful. Yeah? I don't think anyone's out yet, though. It's quite early still. Time to check the dinner. Check the beefy. See how it's coming on. Oh, yeah. No, it's not done. But the roast takes will be going in. I've just fixed our leaky tap. No longer leaky. Lunch is ready. I've just mixed a bit of the beef. Beautiful. Where did we get the beef from? Tesco? Nice. So there we go. Yeah, I got a lot here. I'm hungry. Or is it because of these plates, isn't it? Because they're bigger than them ones. Yeah. Oh yes, horseradish, thank you. Yeah. It's in the drawer marked peppery. Lunch done with. It was alright. The beef wasn't as good as I thought actually, but yeah, it was still nice all the same. Anyway, this afternoon we're just going to chill out on things. We've got a little Easter egg hunt for Chloe Bow later, but we'll do that about tea time-ish. And the others can join in because there's a fair few eggs. Just little ones like, but yeah. So anyway, like I said, just going to chill, eat some chocolate. Don't you eat too much, will you? You don't want to get as fat as me. But first, the dogs are going to share an Easter egg, a doggy one from B&M. This. They've got one each, but they only need to share. They've decided they'll share. Well, we've decided it. Go on then, give them some, Shirley. It's not very big, is it?
No.
Smell it.
What smell? I can't really smell.
Doggy chocolate.
It's not bad.
I dare to taste some, Liam.
It smells like caramel.
Oh, spread.
It smells like caramel. Hey, how much should I give them? Half.
Yeah, half each, and then that's it. Milo will just swallow his.
Milo wants that one.
Which one did you want?
Yeah, that one.
It looks a
I'm
bit...
going to have a Toblerone one. What you got, Rach? Yorkie?
Is that nice? But like, is that equal?
Yeah. Oh, there's only nickel.
Oh, you're giving them to what?
Yeah. Milo does, he likes it. Scruff's like, nah, give me real chocolate. This is the Toblerone that Rach got me. Not that I'm complaining, but compared to the other ones priced at the same price, it's actually not very big, is it?
You open it there.
But I'm sure it'll be tasty. Go on then, open it for me.
It looks nice.
Yeah. Proper Toblerone bits in it, innit?
And proper sealed.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Yes. Cool.
Oh wait, I got a hammer. Oh wait,
No, I don't
I'll
want a
hammer
hammer.
that side.
Stitch it. This is the one Rachel's got, Yorkie one. It's a Yorkie in it. Go on then. You're weak.
It will break it all. That's fine.
Thick chocolate though.
Thick.
This is all Lace's stuff. She put it in like this drawer. Snack drawer, she said. These look good, though. Wow, very nice lace. Well, it's my cue to nod because Rachel's watching The Sound of Music. Yeah, it's a long film as well. Enjoy if you like it. Look at this one, just come in for a wee now again. Who does she think she is?
Bye. Love you.
Love you. Right, son. Rachel's finished watching the rubbish. This is the sound of music, however it goes. And now Chloe's gone back out. I can go plant some of those. Why? Because you'll be... Because you've got to help get some as well, so... You're embarrassed to, Rachel. She wants to help me put them out, but she's going to be collecting them too. There's like 56 eggs in there.
Jesus, just so much.
Dust. Right, they're all hidden. Not all very well, but yeah. 2 missing though. 1 fell on the floor and Milo ate it. So he's a naughty boy. And 1 fell in the bottom of that plant pot. So, but yeah. Right. It's ready for them when they all get in. Well, Liam and Chloe. Because Liam's gone out as well. So. What are you doing out there?
She climbed out the window. She climbed out that window.
You better not have.
She did. She climbed out that window.
No, she didn't.
She did.
Not climbing out the windows, are you?
She did so.
She wasn't.
You're coming in now.
No.
Chloe's in now. She's not very happy, but she's going to find these eggs and the others are going to help her.
There's like 50 or something.
I think you got them all, Chloe. Loads. Well done. You had a good day out again? Tired. We've come to the end of another day and I'm out of breath coming up the stairs. I hope you've all had a brilliant Easter. Hope you haven't indulged in too much chocolate. I've not been too bad with mine. Oh, wow, I'm out of breath. Anyway, it's time to say goodnight. Night safe. Night Lace. Is Chloe still in our bedroom messing about? There's been a couple of children today. It's been in a mood. I don't know if it's the tiredness or what, but yeah. Good night, Liam. She's still there messing about. Anyway, I'm going to end this one here. And we'll see you tomorrow for another Monday. Take care.